I do not understand this mindset at all. So many people ask me almost every single day on a certain type of video, hey man, isn't that going to wear out the clutch a little bit faster if you leave it in first gear at a stoplight? And my answer is, well, what do I care? If there's a little bit of extra wear on the clutch, I'm not going to put myself in a position where I'm a sitting duck just setting myself up for failure. That's already saved me twice being in first gear and being ready to go. But why would I care about a little bit extra wear? Do you stay at home just to make your tires last longer? I thought the purpose of having a motorcycle was to go have fun. And that's what I do. That's why I ride on the track, twisty mountain roads, parking lot stuff, go play in the dirt, go to all these motorcycle courses. It's fun to do. There's no way I'm going to pay for a motorcycle and insurance and the maintenance to have it just sit in the garage and do nothing. That doesn't make any sense to me. Couple thousand miles every month I put on my motorcycle. The whole point of the thing is to ride it. Go have fun and ride the bike. I'm not going to pay for something I'm not going to use. It doesn't make any sense. Why would you do that? Why would anybody do that? So all the questions about a little bit of extra wear, doing this, are you worried about that? Just like gear. I ride all year round, so I go through gear a whole lot faster than most people. I go through boots, probably a new pair of boots every year, probably a new jacket, new pants every single year, new gloves every single year, probably a new helmet every 2 years because I ride so much. People are like, oh, I've had the same gear for 10 years. Wow, dude, you must not ride at all. And I don't understand why you're paying money for a motorcycle you're not even riding. Like, it doesn't make any sense to me. So, no, I do not care about a little bit of extra wear or brake pads or whatever else people say. I'm going to go ride and have fun on this damn bike while I'm alive and able to do so. Tomorrow is not promised. I'm going to go have fun on the bike.